Hello good people, it's another day at KM360. Today we shall be doing a video on unboxing the EBS303. It's an iconic speaker. This speaker, you will have it for a price of 2500 in Kenya. It can be shipped to your location if you are in Nairobi. If you aren't in Nairobi, delivery charges will apply. Let's go ahead and unbox the EBS303 very fast. In the package, what you will have is the iconic, the beast EBS303. We have a fabric finish. On the bottom here we have a magnetic spark. You can stick it on a metallic wall. You can stick it behind the fridge, where it will boost or amplify the sound because of the we continue. We have the lockable pouch here for charging. We can put here the memory card for media. On the side here we have the volume lockers. We have the volume down locker, volume up, pause and play, and we have the switch on and off. We have a tag here that you can attach it in a carrier bag or something. And that's basically the speaker, guys. Now it's about time we listening how it sounds. In the package also you will get a charger, the USB cable to charge the device, just the usual cable for the smartphone, and you have a user guide. That's pretty much, guys. Welcome to KM store and buy the iconic EBS303. Peace.